Good evening to all. So in the last video, I have explained how to execute the Python file of extension .py using the command prompt and in the Visual Studio Code by going to run and start debugging. Then it will execute the Python file. So today, let's see how to execute in the Anaconda software. If you have already installed Anaconda, then in the type bar, type Anaconda. If you see here, the Anaconda navigator is came. Now, click open, then it will get launched. Then it will launch the Anaconda software. It will take time. Let's wait. And if anyone having the doubts, anything, or need any explanation in any concept, you can ask me in the comments or post in the comments. I need this solution or this is the pattern I want to. I need explanation how to draw a pattern, star pattern, diamond pattern. Let me know. I will explain you in the next video, upcoming videos. I will post it. So after launching the Anaconda Navigator, you will see the different options. So in this, I have to go for Anaconda Jupyter. This is a Jupyter. So when I click launch Jupyter Notebook, it will redirect it to Chrome page, which is of HTML, and it will open the local host 888 localhost triple eight nine. So this is just a copy of the our PC local folder. If I go for desktop and my Python folder, so this is the file which was created earlier. This is the Python file and Python notebook file. .py, ipynb, YouTube videos and old codes. So I will going to open this. If I open this, it will open the Python notebook, and there are so many options like upload or new. Upload is to upload a file in this folder, and new Python 3 means it will open you the Python file just like ipynb notebook, ipy kernel. So this is the Python kernel where I have to run the Python script. And if I want to open a new text file, or if I want to create a new folder, or uh, this is a Anaconda terminal. In the last video where I have executed, this was a terminal. Let's okay, first let's see how to execute using the Anaconda. After opening the Anaconda, if I go for new, then terminal. If I open the terminal, here I will give say last time I have executed directly. So instead of going direct execution of the Python file, you can go for direct the folder cd space double quotes. In this double quotes, I have entered into this directory dir. This, if I click directory, whatever the files are present inside this location, it will show you. So I am having the this folder and old codes folder, YouTube videos folder, and Python notebook and Python script. So I want to execute Python start.py, Python space dot py thon start I know keyword is not working for me. Let's try to copy it. It is not accepting. Yeah, we can use this one. If I click enter, hello world, please enter the input. Hi, I am Dheeraj. If I click enter, enter a string is hi, I am Dheeraj. SNDA is not working. Yeah, fine. Okay, let's go ahead. If I click new Python 3 in this location, then it will create the new untitled page, which is of extension ipynb5. If I want to rename it, you have to double click on this untitled, enter the book name, say Python YouTube. Okay, so as I am changing the name here, it is automatically changing here parallelly. So yesterday my question was to print hello world. So my code was print double quotes hello world. To execute this, here you see the run option. If I click this run, then it will execute hello world. And next, to print string, to print input string. S was not working, so I am not able to type S. S equals to input D equals to input print D. If I run this, it will ask for the input. Then I will give hi, I am Dheeraj. If you want to modify input, enter input, enter it. Wow, A and S are working now. Enter string is D. If I run this, enter a string. I am Dheeraj. Entered string is hi, I am Dheeraj. Entered string is hi, I am Dheeraj. Enter a string hi, I am Dheeraj. Entered string is hi, I am Dheeraj. So this is how you can run the Python file using the terminal, or if you want to run as a Python notebook, you can run like this by clicking this one, and you can shift the cells by clicking this. If you want to shift the cells down, you can shift like this. If you want to add cells, then you can click this plus plus. It will go as many possible. And what is this 3? What is this number? If I were executing for multiple times, and it will random string 4. If I run again, if I click string yes, so as many number of times you are executing this, it will update here. So that's it for today. And if you have any doubts, any questions, you can ask me in comments, and I will try to solve in the upcoming videos. Thank you.